Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Dito tayo dumaan sa gitna sa malaking kalsada because look, umulan po. Sigurado umulan magdamag kaya gininawa ko sa ano. Today is 9 of October, January, Thursday. Today is Thursday, 9 of January. And our weather for today is 2, but it feels negative 3. It's quite cold this morning. So, kaya pa rin. Ayan lang everyone. At kita nyo, madilim ang kalangitan. Dahil it's just 4:09 in the morning. So, see you when I'm in the job site, and I'm gonna walk for 15 minutes at the moment, and then one bus. So see you later everyone. See you. Good morning, happy days, and maayong buntag sa tanan. Yun na, that's it at the moment. Video ako ng aking, ayan o, sarap, yummy. Kain tayo everyone. Pas tayo everyone. May Christmas tree pa kami, oh.
Pinatay ko yung ilaw.
Baka abutin pa to ng February.
Pinatay ko yung ilaw.
Yan, everyone. Time check. 10:25. Dito ako. Dumaan ako ng Marks and Spencer kasi namili ako ng wala akong gamit. So, I'm here, the Circle Line, towards Jubilee, towards Westminster, and then I'm gonna take Jubilee Line. Ayun lang everyone. Nakaupo naman ako yan. Lumayas na yung train. Hindi kasi siya yung sasakyan ko. District line yun eh. So I'm gonna wait for Circle Lines everyone. Ayun lang. Bye. See you later sa bahay everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Time check 15:45. Ano? Lamig dito ngayon. Ano everyone? Ang lowest is -1. Yeah. The degrees is 1. But lowest is negative. So, ayan, medyo maliwanag ngayon. Kasi kaninang pag-uwi ko ng tanghali, hindi na lang ako nag-video eh. May araw, pero malamig. Grabe. So, ngayon, naalimpangatan pa ako. Pag-gising. Naantok pa ako. Ayan lang everyone. magmamadali eh. Depende upon the train. See you after 2 trains, everyone. Bye-bye. Tawid na ako dito sa pedestrian. At grabe, ang lamig. Whew. Good evening, everyone. It's 9:35. So, kanina pa ako dumating. Pero, ayun, kumakain na ako. Sopas para sa malamig na panahon. Ayan lang, everyone. At bukas ay, thank God it's Friday. Last day, weekdays and everything, makaka-rest na rin ng 2 days sa pagising ng maaga. Yan lang, everyone. Bye-bye. Good night. God bless. And I love you all.